Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Facebook page for your business in 2025. So whether you are promoting a small shop, a brand or a personal service, setting up your page correctly is the key to getting more followers and customers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for facebook.com. Once you are here on Facebook, you just have to log in into it with that particular account of yours on which you want to create your business page. Now the interface of Facebook is going to look something like this, where in the left hand section you will see a bunch of different options. So among these options, you just have to simply try to find the option of pages. Here in the pages section, you will see the option of creating a new page. So click on the option of create a new page. Now you just have to give the name of your page. So here you can type anything. After that, in the categories, you just have to select the category of that particular business in which you are basically selling. It can be any of the business, whether it is a local business or a clothing brand or a digital marketing agency. For example, let's say if you are in a real estate business, you just have to search for it. After that, first of all, click on the option of create page and wait for some time until your page is created. Now, once your page is successfully created, it will be prompted here on this section. So it will say your page is now created and now you can add images and go to your page to add more details. So basically here, if you have any of the websites, you can add it over here. After that, simply provide your phone number, then your email address. So these should be the one which are relating to your business and on which people could contact you. Then you can add your location or your business location. After that, you can select your available hours, then press next here in the bottom. Over here, you can upload your business profile and your cover photo. For that, you can also use Canva, where you can basically create your designs absolutely for free. After that, simply just click on the option of next here in the bottom. Make sure that you enable both of these options and press done. So there you go, you have successfully created your Facebook page for your business. Now you can make customization into it based on your own needs. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.